what's going on? This is Shibuya Crossing in Tokyo. You're watching Untethered Together. Let's go have some fun. 7-Eleven in Japan has everything. You can do your shopping, your laundry, your banking. You can get a home loan here. You can probably hire a lawyer for all I know. But most importantly for us who are tired of raining shekels for a little bit of grub, we're gonna have some spicy salmon roe wrapped in seaweed and rice and a couple of coffees.
7-Eleven is the place for cheap coffee here.
All right, let's see if I can figure this out. Last time this was too much of a... It's in Japanese. How am I full? Hold it. Like that. Whoa. See, I almost got it this time. Easy as 1, 2, 3 in Japanese. Vending machine culture in Japan is huge, like Godzilla size, and therefore Tommy Lee Jones is selling vending machine drinks.
In that case, I gotta get one. Thanks, Tommy Lee.
A further extension of the vending machine craze are these vending machine restaurants where you select one of your ramen bowls or maybe a side of rice or a hard-boiled ramen egg, go bing, bong, boom, and then it's waiting for you inside in this tiny little hole-in-the-wall restaurant.
Amazing. Can I just pick up this egg? I'm not gonna eat it yet, but like, that's cooked to perfection. I will pick this up. I've never had a fresher gyoza.
Tokyo has a highly unique aesthetic that really comes alive at night with flashing lights and in-your-face crowds and music. I feel like I found my spiritual homeland. We've come a long way in the video game world. Yeah, don't come here if you're prone to seizures because everything flashes all the time. I feel like I could just pound some Adderall and be in here for 72 hours without stopping, and I think I'd fit right in. We've noticed that we are not the correct height here for rain because all of the umbrellas are beneath us. So we get rained on and we get hit in the head consistently with the umbrellas. It's all part of the experience, but it's Dan's birthday, so we're gonna link up with them. Tokyo is insane. It's like all of the lights in the world going off at the same time inside of your mouth and rattling around your cranium. And it's been raining all day. We've been contending with huge crowds of people, and we figured we might as well hang out with some more densely packed humans in a small space. So we're hitting a robot show, which we don't really know how to explain, but if you know, you know. If you don't know, you're about to see what's really good.
Robot show.
Welcome everyone to the world famous robot restaurant. Are you ready? All right.
These are the capsule lockers right here. This is where you put your stuff. So they give you this little card, the QR code. And as you see right here, that's my locker right there. So it opens it and there's my stuff. Here's inside the little capsule rooms. So futuristic in here. These are the capsules right here. It's like something out of the Matrix. This one's my abode for the night. See inside of there. And this is where I slept last night, and this is where I'll be tonight. I've got the light out right now because I took a little nappy poo earlier, but it would look like this over here. So we've got the light right here. And this is the POV. Everything is just so perfectly, wonderfully futuristic here. They're separated by gender, so on the 8th floor is where the common area is. This is where you hang out between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. if you so choose. That's when the rooms are closed down for maintenance. And then 7th floor, you've got your shower and your washroom. And the 4th floor is where we are now. This is for men. And the 3rd floor is for the women. How's your sleep pod?
So futuristic and amazing. I love it.
Are you comfy in there?
I'm so comfy.
Do you guys talk to each other through the walls like it's prison?
No, I got home too late last night. Everyone was asleep already.
Does it feel a little bit like a futuristic prison?
No, it feels like cozy, not like prison.
How do you know? You've never been to prison.
You don't know. So this is the oldest stadium in Japan, and there's lots of like high school and university games that they play here as well, and it fits 30,000 people, and I'm so excited to be here.
They're the friendliest people ever here. When they hit a foul ball into the stands, everybody blows whistles to alert you that there's a ball coming your way into the stands. And then the usher comes and checks on you to make sure that nobody's hurt before they resume play.
Looks like the super fans are in the left field corner back here. How's your kebab?
Really good and really spicy. This is like $6, which is great for baseball territory, baseball stadium food. Oh my God, so fun! So every team in Japan has their own like little ceremonial thing, and here for the Swallows, they have umbrellas. Whenever we get a run, they raise their umbrellas.
What'd you think of your first Swallows game?
Amazing first Japan baseball experience.
So after going to games in Oaxaca, Tijuana, a million in San Diego, and one here in Tokyo, which is your favorite?
This one.
It definitely between this one and the Toros. One thing I know for sure is that professional baseball abroad is a more fun,
They love it here. They're so excited. No one is excited like this at any Padres game
and
I've ever been to.
they don't have the same kind of traditions at Padres and MLB games where they've got little umbrellas and chants and all kinds of crazy concessions, and like here
It was great.
you could take your beer into the game. You had to pour it into a styrofoam cup, but it was great.